Hi, I'm Shivani, and today we are going to talk about the book The Quick and Easy Way of Effective Speaking by Dale Carnegie. It's a self help book, and with the help of this book, one can learn how to talk, how to communicate, how to interact with the public. Although it says it's quick and easy, we all know it's not that easy until or unless we are talking in our mother tongue. So, my understanding from this book is the points I'm going to list here, and I'm no perfectionist, not even close. Just thought this knowledge is worth sharing, like the knowledge worth knowing, and this is one of the knowledge worth knowing. So it goes like you have to keep the object in your mind. Consider the satisfaction or pleasure you are going to derive from standing up and confidently speaking or sharing your thoughts or feelings, or you can share anything with the help of these words with your listeners. The book says if you wish to be learned, you will be learned, and if you wish, I think it goes well with so many things. Like if you wish to uh, to send a message, if you wish to convey a message, the message will be conveyed. So keep keep this point in your mind. Point number 2, build your confidence. You are not the only one who is afraid of talking in front of public, or who has stage fear. We all have that, and I think I still have. The thing is, fear never goes away. Let me give you an example. I have been to an amusement park, I think 5 or 6 times, and the there's a ride called Download. So every time I ride that Download, it goes up like slowly, and get down like just in a bit of a second. These fractions of second are and my heart is like pounding. So on that moment in the middle of the year, I think I make every possible effort to grab every inch of the seat. That thing doing 6 or 7 times is not going to make the fear disappear, or it is not going to make it go away. It never goes away completely. We just learn, we just get familiar with the process. Point number 3, be ready and willing to convey and share the passion, the eagerness you have to your listeners. A good spokesperson wants his listeners, his audience, to feel the same way as he does. This is the line I think I have learned from this book, and it goes like he is audience centered, not self centered, and I really like this line. Point number 4, talk what life has taught you, or what you have learned from the life. Put you in your talk. Of course, it should be aligned with the topic you are talking, but there must be something you can talk about, or you can share your experience. Into this book, you should avoid starting your talk with what funny story opening, or insulting your audience, or an apology. Please never do that. And I think that's it. I wanted to share these points, and now I want to say, have faith in you, believe in yourself. First you have to believe in what you are saying. The audience, the listener, your ears are definitely going to believe in you. Thank you so much. See you next time.